anyway, after teaching you these exercises. That's not enough. Pratyahara. From here starts another 4 rungs, last 4 rungs of the ladder, which is called in English Raja Yoga. Actually, there is nothing like Raja Yoga. This word has been used by Swami Vivekananda for the first time for the convenience of Western people. Raja means royal, Yoga means path. Why it is considered to be royal path? Because this path has milestones. When you go, you should know how many miles you have come and how many miles you have to go. That path leads you to your final destination, that is called palace, where His Majesty dwells. But that is not outside you, inside you, in the deep recesses, within the chamber of your being, His Majesty resides. You are systematically going from gross to subtler and then to subtlest aspect of your being.